welcome to our featured listing of the week, 4550 Woods Way in Mechanicsburg. As part of our featured listings, we will be introducing a four-legged friend who is looking for their forever home. Today's special guest is Yuli. Yuli comes from the Homeward Bound Animal Rescue. Tina works with the organization here locally and helps with the foster. Tina, can you tell us a little bit about Yuli?
Sure. Yuli is about a 5-year-old shepherd mix who came to us in July with her 9 puppies. Her puppies have since found their forever home, and we're looking for a forever home for Yuli. She's great with other dogs when she gets to know them. She would have to be adopted to a house that doesn't have cats. She's not really a cat dog, but she loves people. We have 3 small children in our home, and she's great with kids. Anybody that comes in, she warms right up. She's very calm, laid back, just an all-around great dog. She's house trained, knows basic commands.
Awesome.
She's a fantastic dog.
Well, great. Well, if you're interested in adopting Yuli, you can go to the JoeRomineGroup.com website, click on the tab Adopt, and we'll have a link for the Homeward Bound Animal Rescue. Thank you, Tina and Yuli, so much for coming. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for your time.
All right, now let's take a peek at 4550 Woods Way in Mechanicsburg. What I love about this house is that it has 20-foot high ceilings in the foyer and great room. The kitchen's amazing. It has endless cabinets and countertops and an island, and it even has a walk-in pantry. It has a gorgeous sunroom that overlooks the horse pasture from the back. Let's go take a look.
He's my baby. Yep. No high five? No high five? No. High five. Yeah.
I think I got it.
High five.